and it was $98. Shipping from Texas to Kenya, the shipping is expensive than the goods. What the hell? Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. Woo! We are going to unbox something that I bought in Amazon. What it is, it's video carry bag. You see, and you press this button like this. You skuma them inside. It's a lot of kind of work, but yeah, we skuma them inside. Then voila. Yeah. So this is how you connect them. If you want if your fan is here, you connect them like this. Yeah, so let's just work with these two. These two, the A and B. Now these are the stands. These are the stands where you come like this. Vishkanisha, this one, like this.
The one video to my dosh.
And then you seal it, and vice versa. This is the other one. So basically, they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metals to hold your backdrops. These are the backdrops. They come, I bought it in red and white. This is 1.8 times 2.8 meters, the red one. And the white one is the white one they haven't, but I'll check it and put it in $80, which is I think it's 100, and this went for $15, which is basically 1,500 or 1,600 depending on how high the dollar is. That's where I'm disappointed. For the backdrop holders, I got it $31, and the shipping. So I contacted Kentex to ship for me. They gave me their address. It's in Texas, and what you basically do is write your name and your phone number next to your name and their address, the shipping address. So Amazon ships it to Kentex, then Kentex takes 14 days to ship it to you. So when my goods came to Kenya, they are supposed to be like, Matthew, I only spent like less than $100 buying all of this, yeah? Guess how much I paid? I'm so disappointed by the way. $98. Shipping from Texas to Kenya. The shipping is expensive than the goods. What the hell?
Really, nigga?
Very disappointed. If you have an experience with Kentex, let me know in the supposed to do. Ningeziacha tu kwa but nilikuwa naja nazo. Nikachukua. Otherwise, it's calculate per 1 kg. Per kg is 1,500. Per kg is 1,500. And everything here was, I think, 6 kg. So 6 kg times 1,500. That's 98 plus, I don't know, taxes, VAT. $98. That's 9,800. Shit. Oh, excuse my language. That ships goods from US to Kenya. Let me know buying things that are cheaper, and then when you come to Kenya, they are charging you double the price of. Let me know what are your experiences with these shipping companies that ship goods from US or UK to Africa on the comment section, and let me know the cheaper one on the comment section as well. So video, put it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my